from the site management point of view, it's been good. Been very responsive at time, and the production timescales have been quick and painless. Creagh used Spantherm to push the project along and tidy things up, and it's one operation that just makes it so much quicker and easier to facilitate on site, and we can progress the job further on with the Spantherm the way it is, and it's a good product to use. As a team, Creagh are impressed on the installation of the slabs and the time that it saves us on site. Service has been quick and painless in regards to, from the site management point of view, it's been good. Been very responsive at time, and the production timescales have been quick. We would definitely use Spantherm again. Brilliant product, well managed, well run, good.